Hello and welcome to Teaching Through Repertoire. I'm Scott Krijnen. Today we're doing Firework by Katy. This has been arranged by Robert Longfield. We're going to do violin 2 here on the cello while J.W. Pepper gives us the free recording in the background. I'll jump in around measure 3 after I hit play. Here we go with Firework. Measure 3. Measure 5. This is an off the string brush stroke. Nice and light. Now you get to take over. Measure 13, ready, and 1. 1. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3. 2 and up and down. 2 and 3. And 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Down and up. 1. Repeat. 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 38. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Sneak goes up, goes in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 1 and a bow and 2, 3, hey, 1. Firework by Katy Perry. Great arrangement by Robert Longfield. Really fun. You get to practice the off-the-string bow strokes. You get to practice having some melodic material. And then there's a lot of bowings that you just have to deal with. These double downs and double ups. What a great thing to practice. What a great thing to learn how to do as you're sustaining these popular melodies through kind of awkward and challenging bow control. Thanks for playing. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you do practice every single day by the end of the year, you will be taller.